Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from Group 1. Our group has the Chapter 1 for Soil Properties, Basic Properties of Clay. So I will present about the introduction. They determine the basic of properties of soil that made it usable for many purposes in geotechnic engineering. Clay has numerous problems due to its low height and high compressibility. Clay has the smallest particle size of any soil type. Clay needs to be improved before it can be used in road construction, and clay minerals occur in small particle size and very small fine.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Irfan bin Mutalib. Now I will explain to you about the literature review. As we can see, the picture at the right is the Pisa Tower that is located at Italy. In 1982, the hill was 58.4 meter long and deviated by 5.6 meter from the plumb as seen in the picture. This soil problem is explained by clay soil settlement of up to 11 meter from the surface, and this process is called weathering. Now I will explain to you the geological of clay in Malaysia. Figure 1 is the picture of Malaysia, and the black one is the example of quaternary sediments in Peninsula Malaysia. Figure 2 is one of the example which is in Butterworth, and figure 3 is the geological cross-section near Butterworth of the North-South Expressway. Before we do the embankment, we need to know the basic information required for planning and preliminary design of the embankment, such as site topography, geological and land use, soil stratigraphy, soil strength, soil compressibility, and groundwater level. Next, for clay structure. For figure 1.5a, if there is a net impulsion in the particles tend to assume a face-to-face orientation, this is referred to as a dispersed structure. Next, there is a net attraction. The orientation of the particles tend to be edge to face or edge to edge, in this being called a flocculated. Interaction between single clay mineral particles is rare, the tendency being for the formation of elementary aggregations of particles, also referred to as domain, with a face-to-face orientation known as the book house and trombolistic. Assemblage can also occur in the form of connector or matrix between largest particles, and it is called a natural clay. Lastly, I will talk about the particle size. There is clay, silt, sand, gravel, cobbles, and boulders. The terms clay, silt, sand, and the others used to describe only the sizes of particles between specific units. Soil properties are influenced mainly by clay and silt size particles are referred to fine soil. Those whose properties are influenced mainly by sand and gravel size particles are referred to as coarse soils. Sometimes we need to sieve it a few times to find accurate sizes. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hishamuddin bin Hussein, and today I will explain about the methodology and basic properties of clay. So actually, this chapter will tell about the characteristic of clay and experiment made to determine the characteristic of clay, which is that it will show the method used in determining the plasticity of clay and moisture content of clay.
Met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart, don't tear me apart. I know how it starts, trust me, I've been broken before. Don't break me again, I am delicate. Please don't break my heart, trust me, I've been broken before. I've been broken, yeah. I know how it feels to be open and then find out your love isn't real. I'm still hurting, yeah. I'm hurting inside. I'm so scared to fall in love, but if it's you, then I'll trust you. So it's you.
Okay, so we go through to the method used to test the plasticity of clay. So the first method is the Atterberg method. So Albert Atterberg found the plasticity is a particular characteristic of clay. A according to his finding, there is defined amount of water at which the clay is easily moldable. So the second method is the Pfefferkorn method. So in the Pfefferkorn method, it's determine the amount of water required to achieve a 30% contraction in relation to the initial height of a test body under the action of a standard mass. So it's widely accepted in practice and was originally developed for soft silicate ceramic material. So the third method is penetration method. So the penetration or indentation method is based on the measurement of the necessary force that a tool produces to make a mark in the test body. So the last one is the plasticity of extrudable material can also measured by a capillary wheel meter. So various instruments are available in the form of either single bore capillary or twin bore capillary wheel meters. So using a pressure piston, the ceramic body is formed through a nozzle of a defined geometry at the front. So next, this is a method for clay moisture content. So actually we have three methods. So the first one is oven dry method, ODM. So in the ODM method, 3 samples were tested for every station in each sampling site. A moist soil specimen was placed in a suitable container and its mass was determined. It was then subjected to drying by the application of direct heat until dry. Then the soil was removed from the heat source and its new mass was determined. So this procedure was repeated until the mass becomes constant within specific limit. So the moisture content for the soil using this method was used a basic comparison for the result gained by using other method in drying soil. Okay, next this is a microwave method. So in this microwave method, 9 samples were tested for each location. So specimen mass was determined, then put in the microwave oven, subjected to an interval of drying, and removed from the oven at its new mass was determined. This step will repeat until the mass becomes constant in weight. So the last one is a moisture balance method, MBM. So moisture balance analyzer model MS70 and manufactured by A&B company was used for MBM. So the software is able to collect and plot the data in the same time in real-time condition. So brief procedure of test using moisture balance analyzer is outlined as. So the first moment is set a high drying temperature, and then lessen the sample weight, and the last is obtain more surface area by crushing a solid sample or use of a glass fiber sheet for a liquid sample. So further test procedure are using the software mentioned in the manual provided by supplier. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ali Irfan bin Ahmad. My number metric AA181527. Okay, I will present about the result and discussion. Okay, first point, factor influencing plasticity may be related to the clay itself or to the molding process. Okay, second point is clay related factor are moisture content, mineralogical composition, particle size distribution, type of accessible, presence of soil and organic material. And the third point is in the review, technique commonly used for the assessing the plasticity of clay are presented and discussed. Okay, for the next slide, first point is the Pfefferkorn method determine the amount of water required to achieve a 30% contraction in relation to the initial height of a test body under the action of a standard mass. Second point is the result normally expressed as graph showing height reduction as a function of moisture content. Okay, the last point is the main problems regarding plasticity determination using this method related to the determination of the moisture and to the relation between visual and sedimentary clays. Okay, that's all for me.
So for the conclusion is clay has a great influence on the engineering behavior of soil. Second, clay soil are found in nature. Deposition, weathering and stress during geological process ensure that the natural structure is different. Clay is shown to have different properties and it is understood that some soil behave differently.